Look at these fingernails, y'all. This client came from another salon and she told me that nail tech told her she would never ever gonna find a good nail tech as him. And look at them nails. I said those things were thick and bulky, y'all. So I said, let me soak these off for y'all. And guess what I found? The Devil MMA, y'all. And of course, it took me 3 to 5 months to soak these off because you know how long it takes to soak MMA off? Forever. And after that, guess what? I'm going to go ahead and push back these cuticles because she got some cuticle issues. And we're going to go ahead and clean these cuticles up. And I'm going to go in with the curved tips because her natural fingernail kind of sticks up. And we don't want to go ahead and do straight tips. That might look like a roller coaster. And we don't want that. So, and I'm going to go in with the protein bond. And guess what, y'all? Red ombre. You know how hard it is to do red ombre? I figured something out, y'all. After putting in this red, I'm going to go in with the earth nude and blend it in. And guess what? After that, I'm going to go in with the rosebud, y'all. And look at how well that blended together. Cover up the red nicely. And at the end, y'all, this nail tech of hers, whoever it is, ain't her nail tech no more. Because he going to lose a client because the Thai Lives got the game on this lady's nails.